Welcome everyone. Today we will self-host N8N to use it locally. The first thing you must do, you will use Docker. So you go to docker.com and depending of your PC, you download that you want. Okay, and click on it, you'll download. Once you download it, you go to your computer and you run it. You install it in your folder application, and it will be okay. After that, if I go to my app here, I can launch it. Okay, here you must create a new account to sign in, to register. You must register. Okay, I think you can do it online, and after that you open it to your computer, okay, locally. Okay, here you have container here and image here. In the image, you must to go to look for N8N. You write here N8N IO / N8N, and you get this. You have many download here with many stuff. You can pull it in your Docker. Okay, it will get some time to finish. As you can see here, it is okay. So we can return to image here, and we will see it here. Okay, so we must configure it. If you want to run it, if you do one click, you get this box. Okay, how to configure it? First, right here N8N dash container like that, and here you want to add this number 5678, and here you must to find a document. So go to your home. Let me go to your home here and create the folder name. That name is N8N dash data, like that, and you want to find it. Okay, and in your Docker app, click here to find it. Okay, go to your home and find it and open it here, and here you must write /home /node /N8N, like that. Here let's do, you haven't to enter some value here. You can let it like that and click on run, and you'll notice that the log will charge here, and you can wait for some time, and you will get your localhost link to get access and use N8N online. This is the link here. If I do one click, it will be open in my computer. So I have localhost, this link, and I can create my new account here. Do one click here. I can use this. One click here, customer support. One click here, myself. One click here, less than 20. One click here, and from Google or anywhere, get started. And here you can Skype it if you want, or send mail if you want. Let me Skype. Okay, fine. Okay, this is your localhost N8N here. You can use it how you want. Let me check. Let me create a workflow, a small agent. Okay, do one click here, agent. Do one click on it, and add LLM. Okay, you need credential to work with it. Let me find it very quickly. If I go to find a credential to platform openai.com, go to my profile here, profile, and make sure you have some money in your billing API key. Create a new API, B1 API, and choose default project. Put an API here and copy it. Done. Go to your workflow, your new N8N online. Click here to save it, and you can use ChatGPT or model here we have using, and it's done. So here I can hide a message to this agent, and it will be able to reply me, hi. Okay, what is the day? What is the day after Monday? The day after Monday is Thursday. Okay, it's nice. This is how you Localhost N8N and use it. And here, if you check here, you have community node where we'll create tutorial about MCP to the next video. And now, if you want to stop your Docker, you can go there and click on stop. Okay, and you can stop it here, and or you can let it run, or you can refresh it as you want. Okay, so this is all how to use N8N locally by using Docker. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. See you next.